Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can link your Instagram account to your Wix website. So let's get right into it. Now, to link Instagram, it is very easy. All you need to create is a button and make a link within that button for that button to link back to Instagram or to your account specifically. So let's get right into it. Now, firstly, you're going to want to get your Instagram account link and copy that URL and keep it on the clipboard for now. Once you're done with that, go to your editor on Wix, click the plus sign to add elements, then go into buttons and then select whichever button you want. I'll select this one since this one allows me to change the icon. Once you have your button, you can go into settings and then change the icon here if you want. As you can see, you can replace the icon from either uploaded media or whatever. And once you're done with that, you're going to want to click on the link icon right over here. Once you're here, you want to click on web address and you're going to enter the Instagram link. I'll just add the classic Instagram.com link. Here you can add the URL to your account specifically. You can select for it to open in a new window or in the current window. I'd recommend new window. You can modify the SEO settings if you want to, and then you can just click done. And now you have a button which, if pressed, will take anybody who clicks on it to your Instagram profile. And that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.